Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's vlog is about cooking my simple recipe of Calderetang Kambing. First, we must prepare our ingredients. I have here 1 whole garlic, 1 whole onion, white onion. I put also ginger. I have here onion leeks, potatoes, 1 big carrot, and red pepper. So these are the raw ingredients. I have also here pineapple and a liver spread, and of course tomato sauce, and my wild goat fresh from the mountain, and goat ng Spain. This is wild goat. So first, let's prepare our onion. Let's clean this. Like this. Yan. Chop the garlic like this. Yan. Then set aside. Next, our onion. I love putting a lot of spices kasi ito ang nagpapasarap sa ating mga recipe. Yan. Huwag tipirin ang ating spices. Okay, then after, let's chop it. Chop the onion. Okay, and next our ginger. I peel my ginger. Yan. So peel it all. And I use a small knife in peeling my ginger. Yan. So let's clean properly. Yan. Then cut it into small pieces, strips. Okay. Ito. This. Not so thin para ano. Then ginger, then I cut into strips. Okay. Yan. Into strips. Then next are onion leeks. This onion leeks is for garnish, okay, because I like that the caldereta have different colors. When you put red, orange, and green, the food will become more attractive and it looks yummier, diba? So there, set aside. Next one is my potato. Yan, peel it. And I use a peeler. Yan. It's easier. Let's peel it out all. Yan. After peeling the potatoes, let's cut it into 4. Yan. Para hindi siya madurog later. Yan. This yung size. Okay. Let's cut it into 4. Yan. And next are carrots. Carrot, I mean. Dahil mag-isa naman. Peel our carrots and cut it like this. Slanting. Then, okay. Then next are red bell pepper. I'll remove this. So there. Let's clean inside. Yeah. There. Then let's cut it like this. Then paislant ulit. So there. Let's cut also our pineapple dahil hindi pala siya chunks. Okay. Let's prepare all the ingredients para mamaya dire-diretso na tayo sa pagluluto. Yeah. Don't throw yung tubig niya kasi pwede natin gamitin later sa ating sauce ng caldereta. Then, let's cut it into 4 equal parts. Yeah. Okay, our ingredients are ready. We can start. Our ingredients are ready. We can start cooking. So here, okay, yeah. So let's start cooking. Igisa natin ang ating bawang, luya at sibuyas in a small vegetable oil. Ayan. So let's wait until uminit ang ating oil. Then we can put our garlic. Let's now put our garlic. First, garlic. Ayan. Oh. Garlic. Let's wait until golden brown na siya. Okay, now that it already turned golden brown, we can put already our ginger. Okay, yan. I'll put it now. Our ginger. Saute it a little bit with the garlic. There. So let's wait a little bit, and we can put already our onion. Next, our sliced onion. There, we can put it now. Okay. Hintayin lang natin na maluto ang onion natin, then we will put our goat's meat, ang karne ng kambing. There, ready na ang ating spices. We can put already our goat's meat. Here's our goat's meat. Yan, it's fresh. Let's put it. Yan. The best part ng kambing ay yung pag-caldereta, yung mga ribs. Yan. Ihalo-halo lang natin. Gisain natin ng mabuti para matanggal ang kanyang amoy. Because a lot of people doesn't like yung amoy ng kambing. Maraming hindi kumakain ng kambing. So, yan. Now, I will put ground black pepper. Yan. Yan. Bango. Super bango pag maraming spices talaga. Yan. Yan. Isain natin ng mabuti. Ayan, hayaan lang natin siyang naka-open. Huwag takpan kasi magtutubig pag takpan natin. So, hayaan lang natin siyang mag-isa ng ganyan. Then, haluin natin para evenly siyang mag-isa. There. Okay. Igigisa ko siya for 10 minutes. There. I put a bit of nor cubes. Then konting toyo lang. Super konti lang. Yan. Because I like it with toyo. Yan. After ng pag-gisa natin kanina ng 10 minutes, just a little bit para hindi langitin. Then I put the pineapple juice kanina. There. Then papalambutin natin tong karne ng around 30 minutes. Let's put a bit of water. Mga half cup of water. Ayan, I'll put 1/2 cup of water. Then, let's simmer for 25 to 30 minutes. Ayan. Low fire natin. 7. So, yan. We will wait for 25 to 30 minutes and later we'll go back and check it. 30 minutes. Let's put our potato. Malambot na yung karne. Ayan. Let's cook for around 7 minutes. 7 to 10 minutes. pag lumambot na yung potatoes, then we will put our carrots. Yan, takpan muna natin. Then after 7 minutes, let's put our carrots and pineapple chunks. Yan. Mga 5 minutes, then we will put tomato sauce and our liver spread. Let's cover again for 5 minutes. Let's wait for 5 minutes and let's put our liver spread. Igisa natin konti with the others. Yan. Ihalo lang natin konti para ma-incorporate sa ating yan. 1 minute. Igisa natin ng 1 minute. Yan. Then we can put our tomato sauce. This liver spread will make our caldereta creamier. Yan. Ito ang ating secret ingredient sa ating calderetang kambing. Sauce. Let's put our tomato sauce. 1 pack. 1 pack of tomato sauce. Yan. Yan. Wow. Yan guys, it looks so yummy. I'll put a little bit of green peas. This is optional guys. I didn't put this in our ingredients a while ago dahil optional. Para maging colorful siya, I will put a little bit of green peas. Yan. Wow. Let's simmer for another 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, let's put our red bell pepper. Yan. Wow. Very easy. Very easy recipe guys. You can do it on your own houses, in your own homes. And super tasty, super yummy. Sobrang sarap itong recipe na to. This is my own recipe. Yan, dahil ang in-laws ko ay laging may karne ng kambing because they have, ano yun, may nagdadala sa kanila na libre. So, lagi kaming may karne ng kambing. So, this is what I cook every time. Calderetang kambing. So, I'm going to share with you guys our secrets. Yan. So, watch nyo lang ang video ito para pag sakaling nagluto kayo ng calderetang kambing, super easy na lang. And let's wait for 1 minute and we will put our onion leeks for garnishing. Yan. Our last part, yan. Onion leeks. 1 minute and we're done. Yay! Let's cover. So, ayan guys, we're done with our calderetang kambing. So yummy, so creamy, and so tasty.